Hello, I am Gery Frie, an assistant professor in our construction management degree program here at Baton Rouge Community College. I also teach workforce courses. I have 45 years experience in the construction industry, 40 of them as a journeyman master carpenter. I have 15 years experience running my own construction company and 14 years experience as a workforce instructor at BRCC. I have 12 years experience as an academic college instructor in our construction management program, and I am a certified safety and health official. Here I am. I started my construction career at a very young age, at age 13, at 14 in this first picture, and 16 in the second picture, where I began my carpentry apprenticeship. I completed that carpentry apprenticeship 4 years later as a journeyman carpenter, and then eventually as a master carpenter, where I can have others apprentice under me. I have NCCER credentials in carpentry, in construction site safety, in project management, and in construction technology. I have OSHA credentials, the OSHA 500 and the 501, and I have other credentials that are advanced in OSHA standards in dealing with things like industrial hygiene and hazardous materials and machine guarding, trenching and excavations, fall protection, and electrical safety. This all culminates in 4 credentials: a specialist in safety and health and a certified safety and health official credentials for both general industry and construction. Hands-on instruction is my preference, whether I'm dealing with material testing in the classroom or surveying exercises with surveying equipment outdoors, any other active learning opportunities. So here I am in a classroom showing load-bearing capacity of different kinds of soils using pencil piles in a bucket of dirt and using a device called a penetrometer. And then here I am showing ingredients and admixtures for concrete and mixing some samples in class and demonstrating how to test for compressive strength of that concrete after it's set. Here we are outdoors just the other day doing some differential leveling. I'm explaining how a laser level works and a builder's level, and here we are outside actually using them afterwards in a controlled lab. In this COVID-19 period, we have to use masks. Now, this is an older set of pictures where we are using transits to turn horizontal angles. Now, because of COVID-19, I created videos to help assist students better with understanding what we're doing before we get out there. Here we're doing a site layout. And then I've taught high school teachers how to teach advanced carpentry for 5 years in the Super Summer Institute. We use hands-on activities there. As the Construction Management Club advisor, I've organized student field trips to see real construction sites and volunteer work on 9 Habitat Humanity builds for 9 years in a row. Here we are on a couple of field trips, one to a Turner Fabrication Yard and the other to a Habitat for Humanity site. And here we are installing trusses on Habitat for Humanity houses in various years. Almost every year we install trusses. And here we are installing sheathing and house wrap and even windows and siding on Habitat for Humanity houses. After a long 8-hour day, we're pretty sweaty, and this is 3 different years of group shots of us. Here we built a solar hut functioning, actually generating power, a combination of construction management students and workforce industrial maintenance students building that. We built 700 toy trucks 2 years in a row. That means you're creating 1,400 axles and 2,800 wheels out of wood for this Touch-A-Truck by the Junior League event. It was very rewarding to do this. You help the little kids create and build these trucks out of glue and wood. I've taken on personal challenges as the chair of program assessments, and I've been on 2 teams accrediting other construction management programs, and I've created promotional advising videos for our construction management program. So I started off as joining the team, but eventually becoming chair in 2018. I went through, just as we were going through reaccreditation, I was heavily involved with SACS, the response report, and other things involving training for faculty in various ways. The two visits that I went, one was at Edmonds College for American Council for Construction Education to accredit this program, and at Gwinnett Technical College in Georgia. And here's a shot of one of the promotional videos that I created. So the bottom line is, I love helping students become lifelong learners.